Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 7. Meeting the Prince. One day, a prince came to the forest. One day, a prince came to the forest. The prince was young and brave. The prince was young and brave. He had come for a hunt. He had come for a hunt. He rode forward on his horse. He rode forward on his horse. The forest was deep and quiet. The forest was deep and quiet. Only the birds could be heard. Only the birds could be heard. The prince was looking for a path. The prince was looking for a path. At that moment, singing echoed. At that moment, singing echoed. It was a very beautiful voice. It was a very beautiful voice. The prince stopped his steps. The prince stopped his steps. Who is singing there? Who is singing there? The prince listened carefully. The prince listened carefully. The voice came from deep in the forest. The voice came from deep in the forest. The prince moved his horse forward. The prince moved his horse forward. He passed between the trees. He passed between the trees. Soon he saw a tall tower. Soon he saw a tall tower. The tower reached into the sky. The tower reached into the sky. The prince looked up in surprise. The prince looked up in surprise. A tower stands in the forest. A tower stands in the forest. The prince moved closer. The prince moved closer. The tower had no door. The tower had no door. No stairs could be seen. No stairs could be seen. The prince tilted his head. The prince tilted his head. How can one enter it? How can one enter it? He decided to return that day. He decided to return that day. But his heart did not let go of it. But his heart did not let go of it. He came to the forest the next day. He came to the forest the next day. He hid in the tower's shadow. He hid in the tower's shadow. Silence continued for a while. Silence continued for a while. Soon a woman's voice was heard. Soon a woman's voice was heard. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Rapunzel, let down your hair. The prince held his breath. The prince held his breath. The tower window opened. The tower window opened. Long hair hung down. Long hair hung down. It shone like gold. It shone like gold. Soon the witch climbed up. Soon the witch climbed up. The prince opened his eyes wide. The prince opened his eyes wide. I know the secret now. I know the secret now. The witch left after a while. The witch left after a while. The prince came out from behind the tree. The prince came out from behind the tree. His heart was beating fast. His heart was beating fast. He stood below the tower. He stood below the tower. The prince copied the voice. The prince copied the voice. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Rapunzel, let down your hair. The window slowly opened. The window slowly opened. Long hair came down. Long hair came down. The prince grabbed it. The prince grabbed it. Then he began to climb the tower. Then he began to climb the tower. A new meeting was about to begin. A new meeting was about to begin. The door of fate had opened. The door of fate had opened. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.